In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Wise to Binance or other exchanges. If you've already funded your account using a service like Wise and now want to move those funds as crypto, I'll walk you through the exact flow in the Binance mobile app so you can send coins safely to Binance deposit addresses or to other exchanges. Start by opening the Binance app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. From the home screen, look to the bottom right and tap Assets. This is where you see your balances and where transfers begin. Next, tap Funding. Many fiat top-ups and wallet-to-wallet actions route through the Funding tab, and it's designed for moving money in and out, including to other platforms. Now tap Send. This brings up the sending options. Choose On-Chain Withdraw. On-chain means you're sending through a blockchain network, not as an internal transfer or via email or phone. Because it's on-chain, details must match exactly. Blockchain transactions can't be reversed. Select the coin you want to move. Pick the same asset the receiving platform supports, such as a specific stablecoin or cryptocurrency. If the receiving exchange only supports certain versions of a coin, make sure you're choosing the one they list on their deposit page. Paste or enter the deposit address from the destination exchange or wallet. Always copy the address directly from the receiving app to avoid typos. Some coins require an extra memo, tag, or note. If the receiving deposit screen shows one, make sure to include it exactly because missing a memo can result in lost funds. Next, select the network. This must match the network shown on the receiving platform's deposit page for that coin. For example, if the address was generated on a specific network, choose that same network here. Selecting a different network can cause permanent loss, so take a moment to double check. Enter the withdrawal amount. You'll see any network fee and the minimum amount if applicable. Make sure the final amount meets the receiving platform's minimum deposit threshold after fees. If you're trying this flow for the first time, it's a good idea to start with a small test amount to confirm everything arrives as expected. Before you proceed, review all details: coin, address, memo or tag if required, network, and amount. Binance may prompt you to complete security verification. After submission, you can monitor the status in your transaction history, and the receiving exchange will credit the deposit after the required network confirmations. That's the process from funding your account to sending crypto on-chain, ready for use on Binance or other exchanges.